viewers. This is your girl once again, Global Princess. If you hear about Global Princess, it's all about ADR. Today we are live on Global ADR TV GH. Today we are coming to talk about paralegal. When you talk about paralegal, what does it actually mean? Today we are with Bishop himself, the ADR and paralegal practitioner, to teach us what paralegal means. Today I want us to talk about general legal documents. When you say general legal documents, what does it actually mean? I want the public to know.
Yes, here is Global ADR and Paralegal Center. And basically speaking, we do ADR. But within the civil justice system, we also have another activity called paralegal.
Okay.
That is para-legal operations. It is not the main body. The main bodies are our senior colleagues, the lawyers, and other associates. Paralegals are basically the legal assistants operating from a law or legal firm or chambers who strictly work under qualified or practitioners, lawyers. So everything that paralegals we do is subjected to the supervision of a lawyer. The lawyers take responsibility. Clearly, with Global ADR Center, what we normally are doing is that we have a team of experts with different professions, including legal affiliates and that of other expertise, the retired court registrar, also among Global ADR team. And we have spent a lot of time also to study and practice for quite a longer period of time. So apart from the fact that we have the skill to do general legal documentation, we also wear our way into the preparation of court documentation. So basically, paralegal activities within Global ADR, we do legal court documentation.
So what is when you talk about courts, what does it mean?
Well, they are the litigation system. That is the former method of seeking for one's right in case there are conflicts and disputes among parties. But we basically put it as the litigation system. But what we are practicing is the alternative, which I put it as appropriate methods where the two parties actually are involved in their own case. And again, we are not lawyers, but with the paralegal department within Global ADR Center, we have been trained how to prepare some of these documents to help individuals probably who cannot afford a legal fee or cannot afford to hire a lawyer at the lower court to be able to prepare their cases for them. So almost every documentation that is required by the legal settings, we have the capacity. But just that, because we are not lawyers, every documentation that actually have to go to court, our lawyers in the team have to take responsibility by reviewing and summarizing the work that we have done so that it can be registered in the other court. Coming to the actual job, we do almost everything. Yes.
So how do you resolve this
paralegals normally okay. Adwuma afamu a yɛyɛ ɛwɔ Global ADR Center a ɛyɛ nkratasɛm ɛho adwuma yɛ a yɛfrɛ yɛ paralegal. Nea yɛyɛ ɛde boa ankorankora ne sɛ ebia wo pɛ sɛ wo ne obi yɛ adwuma na wo pɛ agreement bi abɛda mo mmienu mu nkyɛm. Ebia pɛ sɛ wo sesa udin, ebia yɛabrɛ wo court summons na ɛsɛ sɛ wotumi reply na obehwe no when you start if you accept you with me dafa lawyer ana say asem no nya asem kesi biara obehia lawyer kesi biara ebia tenancy issues your magistrate court ana say ebia rent control ana family issues among brother and sister abia some no district court so we need abetimi isika abetimi dey access lawyer ni no ka kama say mama wa obayo wa ebetimi abwa na etumi prepare document biara court no ehia etumi ajatu say ebia wo ho na wo dwini say wo bi ai church contract asem ama wa agreement bia opese wo ye de to oni bi entemu ye bi oduma ana say ebia nyema bi kire wa dwen wo mra mu na aboso otua na mo etumi ko bi di kan etima se kakra fa legal first aid services say person obi ni kan eni wa sutire say so na mo ya wo tuwe ana say emwa ana say abebwa no ye ba legal no a yo go ba ye dia no ba etimi ama no so no so enya abotire the ABP to say the neutral case evaluation. Neutral case evaluation, you know, if you could have some local court that, then the only media and our person will have some local court and our local police. And our person will buy and say, Papi, you shall not see me, mammy. So I said, maybe I done answer me the end. The other man expect advice. I have any court, you know, probably I will be a Virginia can come. Yeah, the person who said, they actually our expert advice. It means so that the medical kind said, Professor Abia, oh, it has a sound within and now the sound within to pay for an anchor. Simply, if I were not for a sample time, you know, into me and going into Professor to me, realizing also among the women so more. We will be aqua pump. Maji nsem kesu obi atum am person na mo ri aduma ana mo de bo mo bra oba ya ho a e be prepare for settlement agreement anti asie biara woni obi a person na ye aduma aji atum and also esuya mo media itimi ademwa say lebia wo ho na ya freo na obi aka say me na me ye be leave work sa court we mu na o letter on ho no send the be our near the version on sa nkrata asem if record na woni media obe obetimi media to the car ababroba idea and answer one kasa so person o ma wasem bi so e dey court if you say obi ACC and also over every bit is the rate of sermons and also the prepare the rate of sermons and then the statement of claim and then affidavit in support and also you know so and the amount so we so na go somehow I will court ho ana we dey very nya let say itimi kwa ona wi ano I won grata asem itimi ko gina woni panemu I will court en ka wasem ba sani ayemi ano mpedifo awelafo no eye no madam say we need sika pese wa be kan wasem ntimi wasem no de wa obetimi aka de say achiri ni na go paper so na ya fa court mra no eni sani court yo mo ye na itimi de fa so ni ye edemawo titimi response if let me be to say appearance itimi amount na say notice with intention to defend and so itimi church for sanctata so ni na and our statement of defense and our affidavit in the position sanctata ya body ni na ya court terms ya ordinary person itimi and they say over function ba global area how ba be ni na kama e amount and I say reply no it means you to say petition and I research a petition it means wow and no why na we was money or court any lawyer need it so lawyer need it there and the na a lawyer na say there so no be say na we na and so want to me am fa lawyer there and the over what it mean affect ni na ebia wa follow document ni na case na ba be hearing and also it mean what me prepare hearing notice and I say a friend be settled down for trial and I say motion expert in defense of appearance so I cry trial you go in na no nkrataa bi a ɛdi nipa wɔ court a yɛwɔ standard a yɛde prepare a wɔyɛ ordinary person wɔte professor deɛ nkora wɔntumi prepare saa nkrataa sɛ ɔmɔ ɔmo standard anaasɛ ebi apɛ sɛ wotɛnda in evidence asɛm na ba kɔdum pɛmpɛnsoɔ bi na ebi koraa mpo na sikasɛm nti no wɔrɔ yɛ gye ato hɔ na wopɛ sɛ wɔfa wɔ a wasɛm na wɔawɔka ɛno wokɔgye wo faale no ba yɛbɛyɛ prepare ne sɛ yɛn prepare de tumi ama wankasankasa wɔkuta wɔ a wasɛm mu depend sɛ wɔ high court de a yɛ a na mmara no tia kakra and it depends a type of asɛm no nso asɛm no yɛ asɛm mu a ɛmu odu a wohia wobɛba kɔyɛ cross examination so ne adeɛ na ɛneɛ wohia lɔya ɛno no ebia ho ne sika a wɔde bɛfa lɔya aha no nso ɛnyɛ legal aid yɛbɛtumi adarɛte wɔ akɔ legal aid ne ɔda organs a ebia wɔn bɛtumi apɛ lɔya bi de aboa by case a ɛyɛ very civil case a waa wobɛtumi aka yɛbɛtu mu sɛ asɛm wɔ waa yɛntwerɛ ɔnom asɛm nyinaa bɛkuta so na kɔto bɛtumi agye nti sɛ application of judgment the entry of judgment fail ɛne the rate of possession ne nyinaa yɛ document bi a yɛsua ho nneɛma a sɛ wode bɛto yɛ ne mu a wobɛtumi aboa wo ama wankasa wɔtumi akɛka asɛm wɔ kɔɔto a anka ebia wone sika anka wode bɛfa lɔya na akɔ ne werɛ hɔ adeɛ yɛ mu a no ɛneɛ yɛ futuo a yɛde bɛma wo kakra sɛ sei na asɛm ne korɔ to kɔkɔɔto a bɛsi kɔkɔɔto a sɛ behavior menu ɛne nsɛm a yɛatwerɛ nipa so sɛ na ɛnti na wɔtumi akɔ especially wɔ lower court. There are issues on higher court a ɛno nso yɛtumi boa matrimonial no no sɛ especially sɛ ɛbɛba awaresɛm no ho ne adeɛ ɛno nya bebree agye sɛ bi agyapadeɛ kɛseɛ bi ɛwɔ mu a ɛsomboro mu so anaasɛ nkɔlaa ne hwɛ mu ne asɛ mu mmienu nyinaa mo de tum kama na yɛde ne nyinaa yɛ settlement agreement ɔbɛfa so deɛ na agye sɛ ntɛm nyinaa boxing bo bi akɛseɛ bi ana lɔyafo akɛseɛ ne apɔtutu bi a na da ho ɔbɛka sɛ nkɔkɔɔ wɔ chambers na bɛtumi akɔyɛ ama nti paralegals no adwuma a ɛnkrataa asɛm ho a yɛde kɔ court no deɛ ɛyɛ ankorankoranfoɔ nso ntɛm asɛm sɛ ebi apɛ sɛ wotɔn w'asase ho nkrataa asɛm bɛtumi ayɛ aboa wopɛ sɛ wotɔn w'asase wofie wopɛ sɛ wotɔn wɔ agyapadeɛ bi anaa watɔn dada wopɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ ho receipt anaa yɛnyɛ declaration na yɛnyɛ conveyance bebree ɛno ho adwuma no ɛyɛ de boa.
So it means global area can handle civil cases?
Yes, we operate within the civil justice system. Now within the civil cases, the BIA team can compare constitutional matters and as a very big grievous act and purely criminal. Within the criminal, there are misdemeanor, any minor cases. There are very, very minor cases here. FBB, domestic violence, and domestic violence, even though he falls under the criminal code, but you will new method you develop here a friend of victim offender area. Now, that victim offender area, it made the boy and handle the civil side of it. We are a jack criminal side in the police it may help to some extent. Government policies into me religious acts into me criminal issues into me constitutional matters into me but issues of within the civil justice system with their any jurisdiction, any limit. I bit me across Akotogo, bit me Ako Beni, or my area to me also depending on your skill also. So, and that's why mediation. That's a issue near a bit traveler. I want to mean mediation in but also a practitioner there. That is a serving spectrums Nina, was Nina, I will be one of them I practicing is paralegal. But yes, sir, Ubibiara or PhD paralegal. It's a course on this school. Because you have to work in a lawyer's chamber or you have to be well trained by the Ghana legal system for you to be able to understand the core systems of how they teach you. International will be our tip of the no serious. Also have a paralegal picture of this. Now I think Crown will be important. It's a lawyer. A good 82 months and I
So how are your charges concerning these documents?
It varies, but we are the two court fees and any animal penny for lawyer for fees in India. At the phone cry. It ranges between 30 CDs to 200 Ghana. Be over to say hearing notice. Just a small paper. In taking even if they are 20-30 minutes into and yeah, 30-40 B to me. As I feel I ever prepare a full legal case direct of summons, depending on the complexity of the case, between and densities to 200 cameras.
Okay, if the issue cannot be resolved, what happens next?
Yeah, for paralegal, we don't actually resolve an issue. Yeah, the other one, somebody, your boy, one character, some gamma. In ADR, resolve the issue. In paralegal, it's not one amount. I come as a farmer, I want to pass on. But some no balance, so that is why I'm saying, in a global ADR, your team. In fact, when it comes to documentation preparation, your retired court registrar are very good in concerning the procedures. I don't know what sign money. Yeah, prepare or no better procedures. And a lawyer for affiliate lawyers. I'm only tomorrow as a full time, but I'm affiliated to Global India. And I'm sorry, legal documents in America court. I'm okay. And I buy him more kinds of TV any judge. Yeah, I buy him more kinds of you put in a box of Casama. It's one more people now. If we review, we are responsible for it. Or more as can be my no matter what you say. It is a case no so China, you now or Mama, so they call district court, so they call high court. In the case of being anywhere, so China, if you say you are lawyer for so affiliate lawyers will more than normal. We are not on our own. We are lawyer for so.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very interesting to be with you today.
Yes.
I know the public are very happy to understand this very topic. It is something I've been going through their mind and they don't understand. So today, you explaining it alone, it's very interesting. I'm very happy.
I will be around me. I will share me and he said, what's some? I feel now the court to. So what's some will call to that down. Simple, a criminal poor. Then yet EDR as a name no, the Bema area for to me. I can one about the judge. I police for actual. What they want to point dispatch now, you're more area for money. Come more panels. If you go and kiss no cry, civil. If it's me, I hear my police for night. Me, I'm not about the secure bail amount. It's me, of the so many court to me. Say, I have to soon. The court so on where I feel it. More 18 minutes. Then, we say, purely civil, yeah. BBRI, how I want to ask you, the camera for legal first aid advice. We will cancel you legally and direct you where to go. Say, a capacity assembly is difficult to know. So, we are affiliated to organizations minimum to say legal aid scheme. You meet me direct to maybe I will do as a little on betting Yakwa, even pass it a cheap Yakwa, emblem, so protecting PRI, Yajapa. Over Global Area Center. The department frame for legal service providers. Getting up wow, I'm going to secure document in our own remote area. Say, and also, according to my security to a pet and our wheelchair. So, with here, I hear a number smart war screen on arsenal. Nafa, Nafre, Nasa was up here. Any income. I pursue who I am Kazangaza. In Juma, and so social media, the BPR, social media, Global ADR TV GH, Global ADR TV GH. Menya videos maybe a year, a day, educated and crank, so meeting young antias, Global ADR, Jumapa, Yawakan, Amasun, Abagan. So it's here and now. I initiate kind of catch around and say, the passing media and another Global ADR. For social media, I'll be now any among
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Global Princess.
Today is another edition, and I know you've learned a lot. You've explained the 7 subspectrum, 1, which is paralegal, and you understand it very well this time. So don't go anywhere. You just come to Global ADR and you understand more. We deal with a lot of issues, a lot of cases. We deal with land cases, divorce cases, marriage, family issue, property sharing, child labor, tenancy, and all, etc. So if you want your issues to be resolved faster, affordable, and cheaply, come to Global ADR. You need not to go to court. You need not to go to police or to go to shrine. Come to Global ADR and your issue will be solved amicably. Global ADR, we are totally confidential, we are private, and we are professionals. We can handle your issue for you. So don't worry. When you have any paralegal documents you want to know more about, please come. We'll handle it for you. If you want to come to this center, come to Tema Community 22 off Afarwa Road, near Amus Park Primary School Rams. Key in our GPR address, GPR-026-0037, or you can pick our number on the screen and call us for more information. The number is 024-30-10-898, so that you will never regret.